Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with all trigonometric functions available into the DAX in Power BI. So let's get started with the video. So this video is not going to be very much in depth video as these are mathematical terms, and basis of that mathematical terms we are having DAX functions corresponding to it, which we will apply and get all the desired result as per the mathematical explanation. So I will just tell you that what all trigonometric functions available into our DAX Power BI. So the listed down here are only the functions, DAX functions which is available. Suppose for sine we are just taking one example of sine. So we are having sine and then sine h. After that a sine and a sine h. For just for help purpose, I have just put down the help text over here. That what sine is. Sine, obviously you must be knowing that what sine is and how to calculate the value of sine. And sine h is nothing but the hyperbolic sine. It is also called as hyperbolic sine. If you go on the internet and search what is hyperbolic sine, you will get a lot of articles over there through which you can gain the knowledge that how hyperbolic sine works mathematically. After that a sine. So a sine is nothing but the inverse of sine. So what happens basically is, suppose you are having sine theta, suppose, okay, sine theta, uh, sine theta equals to some value. If you are having suppose 1 by 2, something like this, then what is this inverse of sine there? So this theta, if you are going to evaluate, then it is going to be sine inverse. Sine inverse means it will be coming on top of sine. So it seems to be -1, but it's a sine inverse. That means here like this you can write it down, 1 by sine of what will be into the bracket, then it will be 1 by 2. So sine inverse of 1 by 2 will give you the theta. So that's only a sine here represents. A sine is nothing but the inverse of sine. Similarly, when we will go for sine h, which is hyperbolic sine, the inverse for hyperbolic sine will be a sine h. So that's about this sine. And similarly, all the things goes for similar functions like cos and then tan and then cot. For everyone, this particular scenario will be applied. That means there will be a trigonometric function like sine or cos, and for cos it will be a cos h, that means hyperbolic cos, and then there will be a cos, that is inverse of cos, and then inverse of hyperbolic cos. So all these functions can be evaluated through DAX, and we will be watching only one function from a whole list. Otherwise, it is going to be a lengthy video then, and at last you will get gaining same thing at repetition. So I will just take one of it. Suppose sine. So sine, if you will take and have a calculated column created over here, new column. So nothing but you will just provide here the column name column underscore sine, and for that you are having sine available as DAX function, under which you will provide number. So suppose 90 you are providing and enter, so you will get the value whatever it with mathematical sign of 90 gives. So it is approximately around 0.89, correct? So similarly, if you will go for sine h, then you can apply here sine h, and you can get the value of that particular one. Similarly for a sine and then a sine h, that means whatever the function value will be, it will be inverse of that. Sine and a sine will be inverse of both inverse of each other, and similarly goes for sin h and a sin h. So that was all about this video. It was just an introductory video. Hope you guys have found this video helpful, and if it was helpful to you, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned to the channel for upcoming DAX functions. Thank you so much once again.